Here we have some potatoes already peeled. Cut them just like this, and then we're going to rinse them. After rinsing, you soak in very cold water for 30 minutes. And this is after 30 minutes. Take it out of the water and pat them dry. Now start frying. You fry for 3 minutes. Take them out of the oil. This is after 3 minutes. We'll let it cool down completely, and then we'll start frying again. So we're going to let this fry for another 5 minutes. Just keep stirring. Make sure you just have just a few in the pot at a time. Don't crowd the oil. And now, after frying for about 5 minutes, here you have the very crunchy potato fries. This is better than McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, Popeyes, and the list goes on. This is hot and fresh. Home cut fries is the best. And you can just use your ketchup to eat this. It's so delicious. Look at that. Crunchy, delicious, and very well made home cut fries. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much. And share my videos as well. So enjoy your fries and bye for now.